Building sandcastles, a fun way to learn English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and fun expression, building sandcastles. Not only is this a real-life activity enjoyed by people of all ages, but it also holds a deeper meaning in the English language. Stay tuned as we explore both the literal and figurative uses of this phrase, making your English learning journey as enjoyable as building a real sandcastle on the beach. When we talk about building sandcastles, we're referring to the act of molding sand into a small model of a castle. This activity is a popular pastime at beaches where people, especially children, use shovels, buckets, and their hands to shape the sand. It requires creativity, patience, and a bit of skill. But why is this simple activity so beloved, and what does it symbolize? Building sandcastles is all about creativity, imagination, and sometimes, teamwork. It's a playful way to express oneself and to engage with the natural environment. Beyond the literal activity, building sandcastles can also have a metaphorical meaning in English. It often represents spending time on something that is temporary or without lasting value. For example, if someone is putting effort into a project that is likely to fail or be short-lived, they might be said to be building sandcastles. This usage underscores the impermanence of the sandcastle, reminding us that not all efforts result in lasting achievements. Now, let's see how we can incorporate this phrase into our everyday English. Literal sense, we spent the whole afternoon building sandcastles on the beach. It was so much fun. Figurative sense, investing in that stock was like building sandcastles. It all washed away with the first wave of bad news. Understanding both the literal and figurative meanings of phrases like this can add depth to your English communication, making it richer and more nuanced. We hope you found this exploration of building sandcastles both enlightening and entertaining. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing rules and vocabulary. It's also about embracing the culture and creativity of the language. So, the next time you're at the beach or working on a project, think about the sandcastles you're building, both literally and metaphorically. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and insightful English lessons. Happy learning!